Hey guys, Chef Sean here with Redmond. Today I'm going to show you how to brine a turkey for your Thanksgiving holiday. Now some of you might be asking, why brine my turkey? Here's why. The solution is going to keep your turkey moist. It's going to not dry out on you. The salt in the brine is going to flavor your turkey all the way around. Every piece of meat on that bird is going to be delicious. Plus, we're going to add a few other ingredients to make your turkey really yummy. Okay, so to start with, we've got 1.5 gallons of water in our pot. You need a pot that's big enough to hold the whole turkey, and we're going to make sure it's fully submerged. To the water, we're going to add 1/2 gallon of apple cider. We're also going to add 1.5 cups of our kosher salt. Now we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. If you don't like the sugar, no problem. You can use sugar alternatives such as monk fruit, or you could even use delicious fresh honey. Brown sugar going in the pot. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. Next, we're going to add 5 bay leaves and 5 sprigs of fresh rosemary. We'll do 1 cinnamon stick, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, and 2 whole oranges that I've sliced up. Now that all the ingredients are in, we're going to bring it to a boil and let them all infuse together. Now that the brine has come to a boil, I'm going to turn it off and let it cool completely before I add the turkey. You don't want to add your turkey to the hot brine or it's going to boil. So once it's cooled, we'll submerge it, cover it, and put it in the fridge for 16 to 24 hours. Okay, the turkey is finished. It smells amazing. I can smell all the hints from our brine all over it. And do you see this crispy skin? That's what the sugar in the brine will help you get. You'll get this nice, crunchy, flavorful outside. Well, that's it for me, guys. If you decide to use this brine recipe, go ahead and tag us on social, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday.